Where's the box?
What you got, honey?
Aircon. Portable one.
See? Unboxing a portable aircon. Portable air conditioner. Yan, unboxing. Yan, ito ang gawa naman guys. Unboxing si Honey.
What's it stuck on?
Here we go.
Jinx, you only hope.
Yep. Yeah, unboxing guys, unboxing.
Still stuck.
The other side. Yan po ang
box.
Yep, yan po ang pangalan, portable air conditioner guys. Bumili si Honey ng bago. Kasi yung luma namin guys.
There we go.
Yeah, ito guys. Yan. Ito po ang portable. Yan guys.
Yeah, because the air conditioner we have is just not enough with this heat wave we've been having.
Pwede pa namang magamit yung isa namang guys, aircon, kaso ayaw ni Honey kasi hindi na raw masyadong malamig. So bumili siya ng isa. Unboxing. Unboxing. Affordable aircon. Ayan. Ayan na. Ayan si Honey may labo. Ang Honey ko nakamidyas lang. Nakamidyas si Honey. Ito po yung ito po yung hitsura ng affordable aircon. Ayan guys. Ayan na. Ito po ang front namin na bahay. Oh, I'm hungry now. I smell something.
Yeah, I know. Skunk or marijuana. Or Canadian beer.
And guys, portable aircon.
Wow, it's not very big, is it?
Yeah.
I like that.
Wow, I like inside. It's so nice.
That's weird. It plugs into itself. I guess I don't need a wall outlet.
Really?
No. I don't.
Ay, you're confusing me. Yan guys, si Honey. Nag-unboxing na kami ni Honey. Si Honey ano?
I like the size of it.
Oh yeah. Si Honey ano na rin. Pag may bago siyang bibilhin, sabihin niya sa akin na gusto mong
Okay, let's go in the house and eat. Go in the other door, okay?
Okay. Bye! Bye guys! Babu! Ayan po guys. Unboxing na kami. Ayan na. Once again, the portable. Bye-bye. Wave, Honey. Wave. Babu!
See the owner's manual.